Hello, friends. I'm so glad to see you. Today we're going to visit Dr. McStuffins. Eehee! Let's see what adventures our doctor friend is having. Let's go. Okay, we need 4 corners. Corners number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Alright, corners number 1. This peach puzzle. Maybe this plate. No. Should not be here. Okay, maybe this? Yes, look, it's right. Cool. I like it. Corners number 2. Where is your plate, corners? Maybe this? No, not is right. No. Okay, maybe this? Oh no, I was wrong. And the variant number 3? Yes, yes, it's right. Corners number 3. This. Where is your plate? I think so. This. No. Okay. Or this. Yes, it's right. And corners number 4. This. Look, it's right. We did it. Now we have 4 corners. Yes, and we need 4 lines. All peach puzzles with 1 side line. And I see 1 peach puzzles with line. Where is your plate? Maybe this? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes. Look, guys, it's right. I see well peach puzzles with line this, and I think so. This. Yes. Look, it's right. And it's cool. Where is peach puzzles with line this? No. Yeah, it is peach puzzle with line this. Yes, look, it's perfectly very beautiful and incredible. Wow, I like it. And now we need peach puzzle with line this. Maybe this peach puzzle? No, this not line, only this. Maybe this peach puzzle. It's not right. Peach puzzle with line this. Maybe this puzzle. Not. This not. 1 line. Oh, I look. Yes, it is right. Ta-da! And 2 peach puzzles with line this. Yes. Maybe this? You plate. Not, it's not right. Or this? Yes, look, it is perfectly cool. And this? Yes. Oh, we have all peach puzzle with line. Yay, we did it. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. And I see 1 peach puzzles, and I think so this peach puzzles this. Not, it's not right. And variant number 2, yes, it's right. And the end.
What's the largest living animal?
The answer is the blue whale.
He's 100% correct!
Wow. Very, very interesting. Thank you, Mr. Stuffins, Dr. Mr. Stuffins. And thank you, friends, for your job. We did it. Please subscribe and like this video and see you. Bye.